Hey guys, welcome to Pepcoding. So in this video, we are going to discuss another question of searching and sorting series, that is count possible triangles. So let's see what this question says. This question says that you will be given an unsorted array of n positive integers. Find the number of triangles that can be performed with three different array elements as lengths of three sides of triangle. Okay, so we have to find the number of triangles that can be formed with array elements. Okay, so let's say first of all, let's make an array. Let's say this is my array. And I have 6 elements. Okay, so say I have 6, 4, 2, 8, 9, and 5. Okay, so now I say that we have to make, like, we have to take 3 sides and then see if it forms a triangle or not. Okay, so we take these 3 sides, like let's say 6, 4, and 5. Okay, so now the condition to check if 3 sides form a triangle or not are is what? A plus b should be equals to greater than, so sorry, a plus b should be greater than, strictly greater than c, right? B plus c should be strictly greater than, let's see, a plus b should be strictly greater than c, b plus c should be strictly greater than a, and c plus a should be greater than, strictly greater than b. So let's check here. Is 6 plus 4 greater than 5? Yes, it is. Is 4 plus 5 greater than 6? Yes, it is. Is 6 plus 5 greater than 4? Yes, it is. So these 3 sides forms a triangle. Okay. Now let's take another 3 sides. Let's say I take 6, 8, and 2. Now I check, is 6 plus 2 greater than 8? Strictly greater than 8? No, it's not. So these 3 sides does not form a triangle. So we have to find out how many number of triangles we can form. Okay, with this array elements by taking them as sides of 3 sides of triangle, by taking them as sides of a triangle. Okay, so now I say, now if I say let's sort this array. Okay, now if I tell you that sort this array, so my array would be 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay, so let's sort this. Now my array is 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. Okay, now n is here equals to 6. Now if I say my array is sorted, so now I say that now I take 3 sides. I take this side, this is the largest side as my highest side, and this as my second highest side. Okay, this as my lowest side. This 2 as my lowest side. Okay, and now I check, is like this is this 3, are these 3 sides of forming a triangle or not? So let's see. 2 plus 8 is greater than 9, right? So do I, it is, so I can say if 2 plus 8 is greater than 9, so I can say, yeah, these sides are forming a triangle. Why do I not have to check another 2 condition, that is 8 plus 9 greater than 2 or not? Because if my minimum size, like that is my lowest side plus the second highest side, are forming a sum greater than my highest side, then if I add the highest side to my second highest side, it is definitely going to be greater than my lowest side, right? And if I'm adding anything to my highest side, because my highest side is greater than my second highest side, right? So even if I add anything to my highest side, it is going to be greater than my second highest side always. So I don't have to check these 2 conditions, right? If this condition is satisfied. Okay, so now let's see another example. Okay, so now I say, okay, this side form, sorry, now I say, okay, this side forms a triangle. Now let's do what? If this side forms a triangle, now let's increase my low. Okay, so if I say these 3 sides, when my low was at this side, it was forming a triangle with these 2 sides. So if I increase my low, it is also going to form a like triangle with these 2 sides. If I fix these 2 sides, that is my highest and the lowest side, it is going to form a triangle with this increased low side also, right? With this side also. Let's see how. 4 plus 8 is greater than 9. It forms a triangle. Okay. Now again, if I say increase my low, so it is also going to form form a triangle, because I am fixing my highest and the second highest side, right? And increasing my low, right? As I increase my low index, so my lower side is increased. So if I say if the smallest side is forming a triangle with these two sides, then this will also form, these three sides will also form a triangle with these two sides, right? So I can say that this is going to form R minus low sides, low triangles. Let's see, R here is what? 4, low here was 0. So 4 minus 0. These are going to form 4 triangles. So my count initially was 0, so it suddenly increases to 4. Okay. So my count is increased by R minus L, R minus low. Okay. I hope it was clear to you that if this lowest side is forming a triangle with these two sides, so now if I increase the index, I am increasing my lowest side actually. So it is also going to form triangle with these two sides, right? And how many triangles? R minus low triangle. Okay, right? Because this forms one triangle with this two. This forms another triangle with this two. This forms another triangle with these two. This forms another triangle with these two. Right? Now, what do I do? Now I increase my. Now I decrease my second highest side. Okay. Now again, my low is at 0th index. Okay. So initially, now I'm doing what? I am decreasing my right. That is my second highest side. Okay. I'm decreasing it. It is now 6. And my low here is 2. And now it's checking. Now my low is pointing to this. It will check now. Is 2 plus 8 greater than 9? Yes, it is. So it is forming a triangle. Okay. So now I say, let's increase the low. Now again the same concept. If 2 is forming a triangle with the second highest and the highest side, so it means my this side, that is 4, 8, 9 will also form a triangle, right? It means if 2, 8, 9 are forming a triangle, then if I increase my low, 4, 8, 9 is also going to form a triangle. Sorry, 4, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9 is also going to form a triangle, right? Okay. So now I again increase my count plus equals to what? R minus L. R my was at index 3, L is at index 0. So my count is increased by 3 minus 0, that is 3. So previously my count was what? 4. So now it becomes 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. Right. Now we again decrease our second largest side. Okay. By keeping my like highest side fixed. Okay. Now I decrease my second highest side. So now I check if is 2 plus 5 is greater than 9. My lowest was still at this point. So it says no, it is not going to form a triangle. Okay. So we just stop decreasing our lowest side. Like we just stop decreasing our second highest side. So I will do what? I will increase my lowest side. I'll check is 4 plus 5 greater than 9? No, it's not. Because it's not strictly greater than 9, right? It is equals to 9. So this combination is also not possible. Okay? Alright. Then do what? Now my low is here, my R is here. Now if I again increase my low, so my low become equal to my right, which is not possible because I cannot make any combination like 5, 5, 8, 5, 5, 6, right? This is not possible. 5, 5, 6. Okay. So now let's do what? So it will stop here. Now it will do what? It will stop decreasing my right, like second highest, because I cannot form any triangle here. My second highest was at 7, like was at 5 now. So it cannot form any more triangle from here if I decrease my second highest, right? It's not possible. So I do what? Now I decrease my highest. So my low is at this point. My second highest is at I minus 1 point, that is here. So 2, 6, 8. Is 2 plus 6 greater than 8? No, it's not. So what do? We increase our low. So is 4 plus 6 greater than 8? Yes, it is. So it forms a triangle. Now I check. I don't have to check for this if is 5 6 if 5 plus 6 greater than I do not. Now what will I do? Now my count is again increased by r minus l. So what was my r? My r was at index 3 and L was at index 2. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So it is increased by 2. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Okay. Now, now what do I have to do? Now if I say I decrease my right, so it's not possible to decrease my right, because if I decrease my right, or if I decrease my right, it becomes equals to low. So which is not possible. So now I again decrease my highest. Okay. I cannot decrease my second highest again. So now my highest is at index 6, I guess. Right? 2 plus. Yeah. Now my highest is at 6 index. Now my second highest is at this 5. Right? My highest is at 3 index. My second highest is at 2 index. Okay? Alright. Now I'll check, is my low plus second highest greater than I? Then my low is pointing to 2. 2 plus second highest is 5. Is it greater than 6? Yes, it is. Then increase my count by second highest minus low. Right? Increase my count by second highest minus low, which is 2 minus 0. My count become equal to 11 here. My count increases by 2. Now I decrease my right second highest, which is 4. So I check, is 2 plus 4 greater than 6? It is not. So it does not form a triangle. I cannot increase my low and I cannot decrease my right. So now I say decrease my highest. Now I keep this as my highest, this as my second highest, and this as my lowest. So I'll check if 2 plus 4 is greater than 5. Yes, it is. So it increase my count by 1. My count is increased by 1. That is, it become equal to 12. Okay. Here it should be plus. It should be equal only. It should not be equal to plus. Okay. So now my count is become to equal to 12. And now my highest was pointing to this. Can I decrease my highest to this? No. If I decrease my highest to this, my second highest would come here. Then where would be my low? I won't have any low side, right? Because I have checked all the sides, right? So so my highest can vary from n minus 1 till 2, right? Okay. So I hope it's clear to you. So let's try to quote this. One thing that we have to keep in mind is that whenever I found I found my low plus second highest greater than I, what do? I increase my count by second highest minus low. And what do? I just try to vary my second highest side. Okay. I try to vary my second highest side and then check, can I make any possible combination from with low and second highest and highest. Okay. So let's try to sort this. First of all, we have to sort our array dot arr dot begin arr dot end. All right. Now make a variable int n is equals to arr dot size. Make variables low, second highest, or let's say left, right, and count, which is initial equal to 0. Now run a loop for int I is equals to n minus 1. I should be greater than equals to 2 I minus. All right. Now let's see, while my left is less than my right, check if arr of left plus arr of right is greater than arr of I. Is it greater than my third side? If it's greater than, it forms a triangle. Then do what? Then increase my count by right minus L and decrease my right. Else increase my low. L plus plus. It means if these three sides are forming a triangle, then do what? Then all the sides greater than my low are going to form the triangle. Then so I add r minus l to my count. Okay, and then I try to decrease my second highest side and then check again, then again check the same condition. Okay, l plus plus, and then do what? Return count. Okay, okay, now let's try to run this. I'm getting some error dot size. Okay, it should be SIZD. Now again, let's try to run this. No return statement 26. Wrong answer. I'm sorry. Let's see what's wrong. Count plus is equals to r minus l. Initially count is equal to 0. I is equal to n minus 1. I minus 1 while l is less than r. It forms a triangle. Okay, r minus 1. Initially my... Oh, sorry. I here forget to initialize my low to 0 every time, and my right second highest to my highest minus 1 index. Now let's try to run this. Accepted, and let's try to submit this. So submitted. I hope I was able to make it clear to you guys. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and thanks for watching.